To automatically record all calls except specific numbers in the phone app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting, tap record calls. Next, tap the gray on off switch next to auto record calls until the switch on screen to turn it on. Tap auto record calls. Now select all calls except specific numbers. Tap numbers not to record. Here you can type the number manually or select the desired one from your call history or from your contact list. As the example, we will enter the number manually. And then tap plus icon next to it. Tap the back key. With this setting, now your phone will automatically record all calls you have in the phone app, except calls from this number you have added to the numbers not to record list. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.